here, Mr. Chewy. So this customer was inquiring about how, well, if there was a left and a right side or a frontwards and a backwards on brake axles. So I told him the wires right here face towards the back of the trailer.
Mm-hmm.
And he said, what happens if they're wrong? I said, it's not going to work too well.
Yeah, if you make it wrong.
And then what did you ask me? You said, okay, yeah, continue.
So if I'm staring at the trailer,
Mm-hmm.
this is where I know you're going to tell me I'm wrong. My wires come down the left side of the trailer, okay?
Okay.
The wires for the axle, electric axle, are on that side, right now. It's backwards, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like this.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, it's about this.
It's backwards.
Yeah, you
so
got
needs
it.
to fucking flip it. And does it hurt it?
Doesn't help it.
Just works
Yeah.
like shit.
Yeah, well, look, the problem is because it's burning pretty quick, the magnets without direction like that. Sometimes it doesn't work either because it's the opposite side. You know, in the magnet, if you get in the right side, when the magnet ties with the inside with the face with the drum, it push out the brakes and brake it a lot.
Makes sense.
If you get in the other direction, you don't do anything.
Then why you gotta create so much fucking work for me, man?
So would you like that new brake axle now, considering yours is wired in wrong and the brakes are probably not good anymore?
Yeah, maybe by this point, maybe the magnets burn it out because you don't do anything.
Yeah, I'll take one.
You want two?
No. There's a pour already. You gotta realize this trailer had perfectly good shit, and then poor thing, I had an allergic reaction to some medicine, and I was pulling it, and fucking just, I hit, ready for this? I hit 11 mailboxes, 2 cars, and 3 light poles. It literally ripped the axles clean out from underneath the trailer, and somehow didn't bend the frame on the trailer. The trailer was still square.
Holy crap.
Yeah, the axles were all like up underneath of it. Like, I was like, God damn, how did you even get there? So, yeah. Anyways, yeah, I guess that ain't right. I don't know what I do.
Well, but if your wire is going like this direction,
Yeah, if this is, I'm facing the back of the truck,
okay.
okay? My wires are coming down my trailer to right here.
Mm-hmm.
But the other axle that I got from you guys, the wires were over here.
Okay.
So do I have it in backwards?
Well, if you get the, I mean,
the shit, I'll have to look. The thing still got stickers on it. It tells you how new they are.
Okay, if you both sides the wire is coming with this right here in the back side, with just stick them up and that forward where the truck is. You know, if you got it, you got the truck like this, right?
Yeah.
So if this one is coming with
So
that one is backwards.
Yeah, so that one is going. So I'm gonna have to cross over then, aren't I?
Well,
this
it's
one you don't
already
need it because
it's already
a red
pre-wired.
on
You
it.
see?
Okay.
Yeah, it don't matter
so
if
it's
you
running
connect it
through.
in that side. Or this
So what do
side,
I
it
do
don't
with all
matter.
that ball of wire then?
You don't need to do anything about this. Well, you need to cover this one because in most with the trailer, the wires coming with this side.
Yeah. So how do you just cut them and
Just cut and splice it right there, connect your main line, and that's it.
Which ones? I think mine are blue and gray.
It don't matter in this.
It don't matter?
There's no polarity in them.
Just, but I recommend on this side, put a tape or something on it because this one is
Yeah,
already
so don't
supposed to
ground
be.
out.
They come in normal when the left side, all the connection, because most of the trailer is coming in the left side, all the main wiring in on it.
Yeah.
So some trailer he's got in there.
So left side is usually driver's side.
Yeah, just like you're driving down the road, like this.
Yeah.
And then you go to your left, and there's all your wiring down your left side of your trailer.
Your other left.
And then you're driving, and then you look right.
Your other left.
So right is the grass, and left is traffic.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, fuck it. Whatever.
Just the axle. What else?
I need a black wheel with a tire on it.
Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Just one. What's wrong with y'all two, man? Both and then let's see what else.
U-bolt kits.
No, I got all that shit. I need here. I made a list.
Okay, you drove an hour. You might want
Here
to.
comes the lug. Yeah, I got lug nuts on it. I need cables for the back tailgate. The big